If you're ready for some pre-owned muscle, come on home to Payne Pre-Owned Harlingen for this pre-owned 2022 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. Oh baby, front valence, slate gray. We got the 392 Hemi underneath the hood with an 8-speed auto transmission. 20-inch RT wheels, Brembo brakes all the way around. 392 Hemi badging, and it just gets better. We go inside, we've got premium cloth, console shift, 12-volt power connectivity, all of our climate controls, and our radio controls, also track and sport mode, all that kind of stuff on our SRT dashboard. Also, we have our 180-mile-an-hour speedometer, matching tachometer digital information station, billeted pedals, leather-wrapped steering wheel, and hands-free controls, and of course, paddle shift. Total seating for 5 in this awesome Mopar. In the back, we got more of that high-end cloth, and also connectivity and rear air for our passengers. Of course, we've got the rear trunk, the oversized spoiler. I love this thing. There she is, clicking the button. We've got our Super B badging there, a throwback to the old Mopars. Plenty of room in the trunk for all of our gear at the track, on the road, everywhere else. And of course, twin exhaust to let that Hemi breathe. So come on home to Payne Pre-Owned Harlingen for this pre-owned 2022 Dodge Charger RT Scat Pack. I'm Chris Marshall at the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.